Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all are good. Today I am going to teach letter P. Capital P, small p. Capital P, small p. P says P. P says P. Capital P, small p. Capital P, small p. P says P. P says P. Princess, piano, pineapple, pumpkin, panda, pig, plant, pen, penguin. P for princess. P for piano. P for pineapple. P for pumpkin. P for panda. P for pig. P for plant. P for pen. P for penguin. P for princess. P for princess. Princess first letter P. Princess first letter P. P for piano. P for piano. Piano first letter P. P for pineapple. P for pineapple. Pineapple first letter P. P for pumpkin. P for pumpkin. Pumpkin first letter P. P for panda. P for panda. Panda first letter P. P for pig. P for pig. Pig first letter P. P for plant. P for plant. Plant first letter P. P for pen. P for pen. Pen first letter P. P for penguin. P for penguin. Penguin first letter P. Now I am going to teach how to write the capital P, small p. Capital P we should write in 3 lines. Start from red line to blue line. Standing line. Left curve. Left curve we should write in first 2 lines. Capital P. Once again children. Standing line. Left curve. Capital P. Small p. We should write blue line to red line. Standing line. Standing line. Standing line. Left curve we should write in 2 blue lines. Left curve. Left curve. Small p. Once again children. Standing line. Left curve. Small p. Capital P. Small p. Capital P. Small p. P says P. P says P. Now you get it children. How to write the capital P, small p? Yes. Very good. Please subscribe my channel. Share the videos. Like the videos. Thank you children. Bye.